Hi guys, welcome back. Wow, the weather has been insanely good the last couple of days. Let's go and take a look. After that awful week we had last week, we've been rewarded now finally with some awesome weather. This is how it should have been all spring, right? September till November, but it wasn't to be. So we lost a couple of months of growth for not only the tropicals but for most of the plants. So I don't know if we'll be able to make it up. It all depends on summer now. I've taken everything out of all the greenhouses as it's meant to rain. Well, they said that yesterday, but the rain never came. You can see here I've got the jackfruit seedlings all out from the greenhouse. Very, very nice. I love this weather. We just haven't been treated fairly all spring. It's just another dud for Melbourne's climate. As you can see here in the greenhouse, it's 43 Celsius, 104 Fahrenheit. So pretty hot. And the same outdoors. Everything's gone. The only thing left is the thermometer. Yeah, so hopefully the rain does come this afternoon, they said. They keep changing it from last night to this afternoon to tonight to tomorrow. I went ahead and fertilized every tree last night. A mix of pellets, slow release that is, and gypsum and phosphorus and potassium. Yeah, so everyone's waiting for the rain, including these seedlings. I got every mango out as well from the mango greenhouse here at the back. Look at that. Everything's out. It's a lot of work, but that counts towards my exercise, right? And then tomorrow night they're all going back in, and then next week they're all coming out again. That's what we have to do here, because the night temperatures are still hovering around 10 Celsius, 10 Celsius. Unbelievable. I mean, the mangoes can take that, but some of the others can't. So now that we have the sun back 2 days in a row, or 2 days, now we want the rain back. That's how it is for every gardener. We want both the heat and the rain during the growing season. Kim practiced her filming skills once again on our other channel, Real Life Adventures. Go over and give us some encouragement. She did a video on all the avocados as they're coming along with fruitlets, like here, and see what kind of video she made. You can see the link to the video at the top right. Still waiting for the first fruitlets to set on the Glen Mango. Still a little early. They usually come in December. Lemon guava is flowering. A bit late this year. These guys are usually rolling by the beginning of November, and this year it's been the end of November. And there's hundreds coming again. Excellent tree, this one. Very prolific, year in and year out. Highly recommended. This is the yellow cherry guava, or the lemon guava. The same with the gurumichama. It's still flowering. It's been flowering for a month, the whole month of November, and it looks like an abundant crop on its way. This is my favorite cherry, by the way. Gurumichama, Brazilian cherry. And it's just packed. I've got a few of these from seed that I wish to grow, to plant some more. It'd be nice to have like 4 or 5 of these, because they do really well here in the temperate climate in Melbourne. And the passion fruit are going berserk. Check out all the fruit set up there, right? It's just epic. And right across. So yep, you can do passion fruit in Melbourne, no problem. You just got to get it in the right location. They love heat, and to be fed. Look at that. There's over 100 of them that are coming for early summer, like clusters. Look at this. I didn't expect it to be this prolific. It's really taken me by surprise, like cherry tomatoes. Amazing. More fertilizing going on here too, waiting for the rain to come. This is the kumquat. Everyone got fertilized. This is the peach, white sapote. First plums are almost ready. Another week. It's usually the first week of December, the first week of summer. The first Indian white guava flower buds are coming. White sapote abundance coming up in 2022. This is the Hawaiian Supreme, my favorite. I'm thinking of pulling out this Hicks Fancy Mulberry, because I'm having problems with the birds. I can't cover it with a net. It's just too big of a tree. It's like the birds win, and when the birds win, you get no fruit, right? So I might pull it out and replace it with another tree. Not sure. I don't want to do it. It's a very attractive tree. I think it's the most attractive mulberry I have. It's got those big, beautiful tropical leaves all the way down. and all the way up. But it's too vigorous, just like the white Shatut, which is also becoming a problem. Yeah, look at it. Just goes up and up and up. Very hard to control. By far, the best mulberry that I can recommend is this one, the red Shatut. Wow. Just under 2 meters. Can't beat it. And extremely prolific. But mind you, if you don't net it, you won't get a single berry. Seems like the Elsh pomegranate is going to have a bumper year, so I'm looking forward to that. It's completely loaded with flowers. I trimmed the front hedge facing the street a couple of days ago. Mammoth task. It's 2.5 to 3 meters high and 10 meters long, about 25 feet. So big job. That's all done. I was hoping the sun would stick around. It got cloudy, to show you the beautiful carob. These are starting to turn. I'm not sure exactly when it's time to harvest. This is my first ever crop of carob. Starting to turn color at the bottom. So I take it, I have to wait for all the green to go away, right? Give us some of your experience, guys, with carob in the comments. It's a very pretty tree. Very, very pretty. Starting to climb now in its second year. The neighbor's wonderful pomegranate also is popping. As I've said before, this is the, well, seems to be the best variety as far as health, growth, and fruit, or cropping. I've never seen so many pomegranates. Look at it. And it's only, what, 4 years old. Amazing. And super healthy. Okay, the neighbor was vacuuming his car. That's all done now. The sun's back. This is the wampy, which we're getting ready for fruit to be set on the flowers, right? And hopefully some height. It's still only up to my shoulder after, wow, 7 years. So we want to see it up to there at least two, just over 2 meters. It still doesn't even look like a tree. It's like a little dwarf. This is wampy. And every year the fruit set is doubled. This is the tallest black sapote I have at 2.3 meters. And that's taken off. I think this is a seedling, probably Bernica, not sure. So hopefully we get a lot of fruit set on this season, instead of just the one that we got last year. That one there. More fertilizer, white sapote, apricot, caracara, orange, and bowen mango, seedling. which, even though we had 10 lousy days of rain and cold, still managed to push out a new shoot a couple of weeks ago. It hung in there through that miserable period. Just hung on. So that's good news. And there's also another new shoot coming there on the side. And I think there's another one up here somewhere. Yeah, there it is. In there. Yeah. Right there. There you are. So the Bowen survived and is pushing growth. Geez, what an effort. Unbelievable. It's like pulling out a tooth. Not easy, guys. The mangoes here. So that's the front yard as we wait for the rains to fall. Hopefully this afternoon or tonight. It was promised last night, but there was no show. A lot of these young ones need water, like the 2 citrus I planted a month ago, and the 2 new pomegranates that I put in last summer, and the Mexican cream guava, which I relocated. He's wanting some rainfall. The last remaining papaya is still hanging in there. He doesn't want to die, which is good news, but he doesn't want to wake up either or do something, which is not good news, right? So we're waiting to see what this papaya is gonna do. The pineapple guavas are really popping now along the driveway. This one here, fully loaded. You just can't go wrong with these. Crazy, a crazy amount of fruit coming at every level. Gee, I wish the mangoes were this easy. Just plant and forget. Also from this one here, this one is a little behind, about a week. So the one I just showed you is fully loaded. This one is starting to pop now. And the one that was first to come at the beginning of November, actually even maybe October, he's already finished, just about finished, with his flowers. There's a few new ones coming, but many of them have already been pollinated, and there's fruit ready to come on some of them. Yeah, so that's it, guys. That's the story here in the front and the back, as you saw in the previous video. So rain, rain, rain. Pray for some good rainfall here at Fruitopia. And we'll do a video after the rain to show you guys how it all went. So don't forget to like and share, and also subscribe to the channel if you haven't. And I just noticed a new banana blossom coming from the banana circle here, where I'm surrounded by all these bananas. There you go. There it is. Looks like a small one. Thanks, guys. See you from the next video.